Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So that little flag that we were looking at over here turned out to be null and void. So this is 25% probability of it continuing on, and it does look like it is that 25% probability. We blew through the previous highs here. Didn't even hesitate, but just blew through there. We've left gaps to the downside, quite a few gaps to the downside, but let's just assume they're breakaway gaps for now. And what we do want to be doing is we want to be long, but same narrative as yesterday still. I need to pull back onto structure before I look for those longs. I don't want to jump in. As much as it looks like you're losing out if you're not in the market at the moment, that's irrelevant, because more often than not you see these kind of things, you jump in and then it has this pullback and then you're grumpy because you've lost money. So don't fall into that trap. Right. Well, we did try and defend it a bit last week, but we were just short of it. Anyway, yesterday's nothing changes here. There's no structure. We've again moved up into a flag sort of position. Oscillators all oversold, or overbought rather, sorry. And you can see channel, we've got a bit of a channel break. So this is a tight channel. We'll look at it on a lower time frame. You'll see it clearer there. But the hour doesn't give me anything either. It doesn't give me any structure that I need to be paying attention to. 15 minutes. Now you start seeing the structure that you need to pay attention to. So there's one level. There is another level. That's a nice pin bar. That's two pin bars. And then there is a third level. Not really going to worry about this fourth level here, because that's kind of null and void in my eyes. Anyway, so what are we looking for? We're looking for a base to be built on 18,700. So somewhere in 18,700, look here, you're looking for a base to be built in here for a move up. Just bear in mind that this channel, and I'm going to make a chart really messy now. So there's my channel. You can see spike channel. Now, by dropping below, in actual fact, dropping below this first bar or second bar of the morning, which is 18,740. So if we drop below that, which we have, and now we've come back to test, technically that is a break of the channel and this is a retest. So that target, first target is halfway through the channel, which is pretty much at 18,700, and then the second target would be at this first fractional start of the channel, which is 18,650. So those are the two levels that I would really be paying attention to. So it's 18,700 and 18,650. Now I'm not around next week, so what you need to be doing is you're looking to be long, but you want to be long off structure. Now if you do get some big red bars on the higher time frames next week, this previous all-time high here at 18,643 and 18,600 would be one of the first areas that I'd look to be defended. So move back down, build a base here, look for a move up. If that gives way, then you're looking at a move down to 18,485. So I think for now it's onwards and upwards. Just want to get a weekly view here quickly, and you can see there's a strong weekly break above that structure. So obviously you'd like a little bit more momentum beyond the previous high, and then you want to pull back to come onto that that high and then continue to the upside. So I think the DAX is very, very well poised at the moment for a continuation higher. And for us as day traders, what we're looking for is a pullback on structure at the start of the day, and then opportunity to get into it, and you get out of it at the end of the day, and then you just rinse and repeat through the week. Anyway, that's kind of my view. I will see you week after next as I'm traveling the whole of next week, and keep those stops tight. Don't just jump in for the sake of jumping and wait for the pullbacks before you get in. But this is definitely onwards and upwards. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you in 2 weeks. Cheers, bye.